Here's a rerun of the precipitate reaction. So this is my sodium iodide, and this is my lead nitrate. They're both solutions. You can see they're both clear, but if I take some lead nitrate and drop it in here, do you see the yellow cloudy solid? It's very fine solid. It looks a little bit like mud in a river. And if we leave it there for long enough, it'll all sink to the bottom and we'll be left with a clear liquid with this yellow solid at the bottom. So a precipitate reaction is where you make a cloudy solid out of two liquids. You often hear about rain being called precipitation. That's because there's lots of little water molecules floating around as gas up in the clouds, up in the sky, and when they stick together, they form a raindrop. The precipitation is them sticking together. In here, there were lots of little ions, they're called, little particles of those substances, the potassium and the iodide. And when I drop in the lead and the nitrate ions, they are all floating around separately and they precipitate. They come together and make a solid. That's why it's called a precipitation reaction, a precipitate.